Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So this is first you have to come this website gigabyte.com and this is search and click on enter your model number of motherboard Z790DX and then hit enter. Then click on name of the title. Then click on support. Then select your operating system which is using Windows 10 11. So if you are using Windows 10, so this is also installations process same. Then WLAN means Wi-Fi. So install Wi-Fi driver. Just click to download. So it is done. Then click to download. And then this is file of Wi-Fi. And double click. Then click on yes. Then click closed.